Hello again, future educators. Welcome to the final part of our Science General Education Review. So, this is part 3, and just like the previous parts, we've prepared 15 multiple choice questions with rationalizations to help you strengthen your mastery in science concepts for the LET. So, let's finish this one. Number 31. Why do we only see one side of the moon from the Earth? Letter A. The moon does not rotate. Letter B. The moon rotates faster than its orbit. Letter C. The moon rotates once for each orbit. Or letter D. The moon has no gravitational pull. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. The moon rotates once for each orbit. So, this synchronous rotation means the moon's rotation period equals its revolution period. So, it's about 27 days. This causing the same side to always face Earth. So, that's why we only see one side of the moon from Earth. So letter C is the best answer. For letter A, this is incorrect since the moon does rotate. Again, the moon does rotate. For letter B, incorrect. If it rotated faster, we'd see more than one side. I mean, we'd see yeah, more sides or more than just one side. For letter D, the moon does have gravity, that's why it affects tides. So only letter C is the best answer. Number 32. Which of the following microorganisms can survive extreme heat, dryness, and radiations by forming endospores? The correct answer is letter C, bacteria. So some bacteria, especially Bacillus and Clostridium species, form endospores or the dormant, tough, and non-reproductive structures to survive harsh conditions. So bacteria is the correct answer. For fungi, fungi produce spores but not heat-resistant bacterial endospores. For protozoa, they don't form endospores. And for viruses, they do not form spores at all, so they survive via hosts. So only bacteria can survive extreme heat, dryness, and radiation by forming endospores. Number 33. What is the solute in a saltwater solution? Letter A, water. Letter B, salt. Letter C, both water and salt. Or letter D, none of the above. Okay, the correct answer is letter B, salt. So solute is the substance being dissolved, which is the salt. And for water, it is known as the solvent, not the solute. For letter C, there is only one solute, and that is salt. And for letter D, this is incorrect since salt is the solute. Number 34. Which of the following describes an object at constant velocity? Letter A, it is accelerating. Letter B, it is decelerating. Letter C, it is changing direction. Or letter D, it has zero net force acting on it. The correct answer is letter D, of course. It has zero net force acting on it. So for Newton's first law, which says constant velocity equals balance forces. So that's why this is the correct answer. For letters A, B, and C, all involve a change in velocity, hence acceleration. Number 35. Which of the following is an intrusive igneous rock? Letter A, basalt. Letter B, obsidian. Letter C, granite. Or letter D, pumice. Okay, the correct answer is granite. So granite formed beneath Earth's surface, and granite cools slowly, forming large crystals. So that's why it is an intrusive igneous rock. Again, it is formed beneath Earth's surface, intrusive inside. So granite is the correct answer. The other choices are exclusive, which means formed on the surface or outside Earth's surface. Number 36. Which process returns water vapor to liquid in the water cycle? Letter A, evaporation. Letter B, precipitation. Letter C, transpiration, or letter D, condensation. Okay, the correct answer is letter D, condensation. Condensation forms clouds by converting vapor back to liquid. Okay, condensation is the best answer. For letter A, evaporation, this is from liquid to gas. Letter B, precipitation. This is the water falling. After the condensation, here comes the precipitation or the raining or the water falling. And for letter C, transpiration, this is water lost from plants. So letter D is the best answer. Number 37. What type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Letter A, vein. Letter B, artery. Letter C, uh, capillary, or letter D, lymph vessel. Okay, the correct answer is artery. So artery carries oxygenated blood away from the heart. So for letter A, the veins bring it back again, bring it back the oxygenated into the heart. And for capillaries, this connects arteries and veins. And for lymph vessels, this is part of the lymphatic system. So letter B is the best answer. Number 38. Which of the following diseases is caused by a virus? Letter A, tuberculosis. Letter B, malaria. Letter C, influenza. Or letter D, ringworm. The correct answer is influenza. Influenza is caused by the influenza virus. For the TB or the tuberculosis, this is caused by bacteria. For malaria, this is caused by protozoa. And for ringworm, this is caused by fungus. So the disease that is caused by virus is only influenza. Number 39. Which of the following genotypes represents a homozygous dominant trait? Letter A small a big A and A. Letter B, two big A's. Letter C, AA, or letter D, AB. The correct answer is letter B. So the two identical dominant alleles. So homozygous dominant. For letter A, this is heterozygous. For the letter C, this is homozygous recessive. So, and for letter D, this is known as not standard genotype format. So, for the dominant trait, we have letter B. Number 40. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Letter A, barometer. Letter B, thermometer. Letter C, hygrometer. Or letter D, anemometer. Okay, the correct answer is barometer. So this measures air pressure. For the other choices, For letter D, wind speed, anemometer, humidity hygrometer, and thermometer is for temperature. Number 41. What state of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? Letter A solid, letter B liquid, letter C gas, or letter D plasma. And the correct answer is letter B, liquid. So liquids adapt to container shape but keep volume. So liquid is the only state of matter that has a definite volume but has no definite shape. And for letter A, solid, this has definite shape and volume. The gas has no definite shape or volume. And for plasma, this is similar to gas but ionized. Number 42. What structure in the nucleus contains hereditary material? Letter A, ribosomes, letter B, mitochondria, letter C, chromosomes, or letter D, nucleolus. And the correct answer is letter C, chromosomes. Chromosomes are made of DNA, which carries genes or which carries hereditary materials. For letter A, the ribosomes, this makes proteins. For letter B, mitochondria, this produces energy. And for the nucleolus, this makes ribosomes. So only letter C is the best answer. Number 43. Which microorganism is responsible for fermentation in bread and alcoholic beverages? Letter A, virus, letter B, algae, letter C, yeast, or letter D, bacteria. And the correct answer is yeast. So yeast is a type of fungus that performs anaerobic respiration, producing alcohol or carbon dioxide, and this is responsible for fermentation in bread and other alcoholic beverages. For viruses don't do fermentation. Algae is incorrect because this is for photosynthetic. And for bacteria, some bacteria ferment but does not used in bread or alcohol. Only yeast is the best answer. Number 44. What process involves copying DNA into mRNA? Letter A, translation, letter B, replication, letter C, transcription, or letter D, mutation. The correct answer is transcription. Transcription is a synthesis of mRNA from a DNA template. That is the best answer. For letter A, translation is the process of transforming mRNA to protein. Replication is DNA to DNA or the copying itself. And for mutation, this is the change in DNA sequence. So letter C is the best answer. Number 45. Which genetic disorder is caused by trisomy on chromosomes 21? Letter A, Turner syndrome, letter B, Down syndrome, letter B, Klinefelter syndrome, or letter D, hemophilia. The correct answer is letter B, Down syndrome. Down syndrome is the extra copy of chromosome 21. This is known as the trisomy 21. So that is the best answer. For letter A, the Turner syndrome, this is the monosomy X. For letter C, this is XXY. And for letter D, this is X-linked disorder affecting blood clotting. So letter B is the best answer. And well done, future LPTs. That's the end of our three-part Science General Education Review series. So we hope these questions and rationalizations help you gain confidence and clarity in your preparation for LET. Comment your scores below and don't forget to share with your fellow reviewers. Also, let us know what topics or subjects you'd like to see next. So this is Teacher R saying study hard because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Keep going, future top notchers. Bye bye.